we cannot carry unfinished proceedings into the next Congress. Allowing the 20th Congress to take over this trial would be ultra vires or beyond our constitutional power. Jurisdiction over impeachment is exclusive to the Congress that receives the complaint. Rule 44, Section 123 confirm that all legislative and investigatory matters terminate with the expiration of a Congress. This principle is affirmed internationally. Unfinished business do not carry over into a new Congress. If we cannot conclude the trial before June 30, 2025, we must recognize this impeachment case is functionally dismissed by constitutional operation and no action can be taken by the 20th Congress on the matter for lack of constitutional authority. Mr. President, kahit anong pilit, hindi maitatawid, lalo na't kung lalabag sa saligang batas. Let this manifestation be entered into the official records and journal of this chamber. I will likewise submit a version of this manifestation complete with footnotes for proper documentation.